In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow responses in ChatGPT. If ChatGPT is taking forever to reply or feels laggy, don't worry. There are a few quick fixes that usually solve it. Let's get started. Fix 1. Log out and log back in. Click on your profile icon and select Log Out. Once you're logged out, sign back into your account. This refreshes your session and often fixes slow response issues instantly. Fix 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of your browser and open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and other site data, set the time range to all time, and click Delete. Reload ChatGPT and test again. Fix 3. Check ChatGPT server status. Open a new tab and search for ChatGPT server status. Open status.openai.com and check if all systems are operational. If there's an outage or maintenance, the only fix is to wait. Fix 4. Use Incognito mode. Open a new Incognito window, visit ChatGPT, and try again. This disables extensions and cached data that may be slowing things down. And that's it. If this video helped, drop a like and share it with someone facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot.